Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In today's video, we're going to learn how to use Tinder, so make sure to watch until the end. To start using Tinder, launch the Tinder application. Assuming you have your account, profile, and preferences set up, you can begin swiping. Swipe right if you like someone, and swipe left if you don't. If you swipe right on someone and they swipe right on you as well, it's a match, and you'll be able to talk to each other by going to the profile icon. When you visit your profile page, you have options like editing your profile picture and other details. You can also explore Tinder Gold, Tinder Plus, and Tinder Premium, depending on what suits you best. By the way, Tinder is a dating app, so make sure to use it carefully. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.